Hey, what's up, creators? Ever wondered how those adorable duck shorts, yep, the ones blowing up your feed, are made? Well, stick around, because in this video, I'm spilling the secrets to creating your own cute duck. AI shorts that'll have everyone hitting that like button, and there's a pro tip at the end you won't want to miss. Trust me, it's a game changer. Let's dive in.
Let's go!
Today, we're turning you into an AI-powered duck master. Smash that subscribe button if you're ready to make some quacktastic content. Okay, first things first, why ducks? Simple. They're cute, they're quirky, and they're everywhere right now. Shorts with ducks are getting millions of views. Think waddling babies, sassy quacks, you name it. And with AI, you don't need to be an animator to cash in on this trend. In just a few steps, you'll have your own duck star stealing the show. Curious how? Let's get to it. First, open ChatGPT. Now I'm asking ChatGPT to create some duck stories. Right in this box, create some duck stories for YouTube Shorts in 100 words. Now click on Generate. It's take a few seconds. Now read these stories one by one and copy that one which you like the most. Copy that story and paste in this box. Now give the prompt to create image prompts for each scene of this story. I already prepared the prompt. You can find this prompt on my Telegram. I provided my Telegram link in video description. Now copy this prompt and paste in this box. Click on Generate. In just a few seconds, you will get your image prompts for each scene of the story. Now it's time to generate images to the story from these prompts. I will use Leonardo AI to image generation. Open Leonardo AI. Now click on Image Creation section. Now copy that first prompt and paste into it. Now select the settings. Select Phoenix 1.0 and select the style Dynamic. And image dimensions for shorts 9 by 16. Now select Fix Seed for consistency in image creations. Go the back and click on Create. In just a few seconds, you will get the images. Now download the image, which one is perfect for your shorts. Now repeat the process for all the image creation one by one. Copy your all prompts one by one and paste into this box. After completed this process, go to the video creation section. I will use Hailuo AI for video creation. Open Hailuo AI. Just click on Sign In. You can sign in with any of your Google account. After this, you will get an interface like this. Just click on Create. Now upload your first image for video creation. Now describe your image in this box. You can paste your first image prompt into this box. Now click on this. After a few seconds, you will get your video here. Just download the video. Upload your second image and paste your second image prompt in this box. Now click on this. Now download the video. Now repeat the process for all images one by one. After completed this process, go to the final step. In this step, we will edit the video. I will use CapCut for this. Open CapCut. Now import your all video clips one by one. After this, adjust your videos like this. That watermark will also be removed if needed. After this, add voices and music into it. I'm using music from YouTube Audio Library. Now import music file I have already downloaded. Now I'm adding voice into it from CapCut Library. After complete these all process export your video, just click on this. Export in 4K with optical flow for best video quality. Now you can see the final results. And that's it. You're now a cute duck, AI short creator. If you loved this, give it a thumbs up, drop a quack in the comments, and subscribe for more AI tricks. Okay, here's that pro tip. Schedule your post for 6 p.m. EST when the crowd's scrolling after work. Timing's everything with shorts. Try it, and let me know in the comments if it works for you.